We've all at some point wanted to fill this void inside us with a voice so soothing it would put the thought of heavenly angels singing to shame, because for once, you are that angel. We've wanted to pick up the phone and blush at hello as if the person on the other end can see it and hope they at least hear it in the tremble of your voice. We've wanted to be that name on the tip of their tongue, that fairy tale vision on their palms, that lost hope of forever's existence, the closing trick of a magician, for your presence to be so intense that it proves that God lives and his image is you. We've all wished for a shooting star, only to make another wish, and you know what that wish is. We convince ourselves we deserve it, make promises we could never keep, for our dreams to come true, and our laughter to put someone's heart at ease, and then with a blazing flame in it. The closest thing to a shining star, for the very skies to be in your eyes, so for them to get lost in your stare, trying to find the brightest moon to compare you to. We've wanted to be someone's best experience, for them to forsake materials because of your touch, for your reach to be the tunnel they seek, the happiness they keep in their lungs and breathe out as life. We've wanted to be someone's picture, perfectly hung in the center of their future, to be there, forever there. Even after the biggest arguments, the lamest excuses, hurtful speeches, because you know the intentions with you are nothing short of bliss, that you are nothing less than truth. You are what honesty is. Even a flawless rose doesn't have anything on you, and even if it did, it'd still be picked and handed to you as a symbol of love, the simplest touch to a romantic thought. We've wanted someone to love, and for them to love us to heaven and back, to be your haven, housing all of your emotions and habits, even the bad ones, guarding them with their own hearts, because they wouldn't want to risk losing any part of you. What I'm trying to say is, we all wanted that bittersweet taste of love. Yabong.